Hey, hi guys. Since a long time, I'm not able to share any of the video for my busy schedule. I'm really busy with some of the my personal tasks. So here I will be update daily basis. I try to be update. So the first video after a long time, it's to the through the Terraform how you can delete the EBS volume. Okay, so here is if you have some of the volume in your AWS account and it's not using, you wanted to be delete and your infrastructure is managed through the Terraform, how you can delete. I already have a code like this and it is a tested code, you can check. Okay, so here let me copy these things and let me pull for uh, git bash git clone. I clone the code. The code is cloned already. Here, open a folder and I select here. And now what I have to do, I need to check what is the volume it is not in using and I just wanted to be delete. I copy the volume ID. Here you can see it's through the lambda function. It will be trigger the lambda function and it will be deleted our code. Okay, so here is the functions. You can see that the invocation and it's basically variable, so I just mention our new volume ID and here it is another one. I replace with that. You can delete multiple volume. Okay, that is not an issue. I open the terminal and I save. Now Terraform init for the initialization and it will take some time. It's near about 1 or 2 minutes. Because of that, I have mentioned that the version in the provider it's a 5.0.0 and above, and here is the 1.9 point Terraform version is the 1. So it will download in few minutes. Yeah, you can see it's a .terraform folder is there and it's okay. So directly I'm going to be uh, it's apply because it's already verified and approved code, so I'm directly going to be apply. Okay, not the gate, it's a Terraform apply auto approve and it is in, yeah, it will already trigger. You can see the 5 to add, 0 to send, 0 to destroy. What I've been mentioned here also, you can see it will be perform. You can see it's a rule, policy, functions, invoke and invoke because of my two volumes. Let's see what happened. Yeah, my volume got deleted and you can check on your lambda. You will see that there is a function already. Yes, yeah, delete EBS volume. So that is the things. Thanks for watching. You can clone the code and you can apply on to your infrastructure. It will delete your EBS volume what is not in use. Thank you so much. Stay watch.